So now we'll proceed with the unboxing of the complimentary lens that they have sent along with the 20x to 60x telephoto lens. So you can see this is a very good pouch, and also it has a feature of hanging this as a keychain, or you can also hang this to your belt or pant. So to carry the lens, just open this. So this is a clip-on lens, and this is a dual lens that they have sent. This comes with the macro lens plus the wide angle lens. So this is covered here. So this is a very unique looking lens, and the design is very good. So you can see the design. This is a very good looking lens, but it has some sharp edges on the front. We'll just try to connect this to the clip-on lens. So first this gets connected. I believe this is a macro lens here. Try to connect this to the phone. You need to connect this to the main camera. So you can see this is the macro lens. We'll connect this now on top of that. This is a 10x macro lens that is connected now. So we'll go ahead and connect the wide angle lens on top of that. So you need to twist this in the opposite direction to connect the wide angle lens. So let us just check the difference. So this is the normal phone lens that you're able to see. We'll try to connect this and see the difference. Okay, so this you can see after connecting the wide angle lens, it is completely a different angle and a lot of things are visible. So I'll just take this out and you can see the difference. So you're able to see how much of the area this is covering. So this is a very good product that they have sent, and this is a complimentary lens that they have sent along with the 20x to 60x telephoto lens, and this is limited to stock last only. So and there is just one condition, that is you'll have to order a lens or multiple lenses that are more than 10,000. So that is only rule. So that is all about the lens that they have sent, and along with this you get the microfiber clock with the Apexel branding on that, and you also have a small documentation where you get the components of the lens and how it is going to be used in different languages. So that is all about the lens. So you can also see this lens where it is height adjustable tripod with the lens attached, and this is highly recommended for the people who like mobile photography for the wildlife or long distance photography or videography for birds or for wildlife. And this is a good quality product and it is heavy. So I'll be sharing the photos and videos using the lens in my future videos. So thank you for your time. Thank you. Bye bye.